Remus 448 Romeo Alpha.
Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, New Braunfels Airport.
I'm about 15 miles to the east in downtown landing. I had part of my door fly off. I'm unsure if it's struck any part of the airplane. When I'm coming in, can I get a priority landing?
And for Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, New Braunfels Tower, Roger, report 5 miles east of the field. And is everything stable flight and everything at this moment?
Right now, everything's still fine. Just unsure if it struck anything. And I'll report for 5 miles, 448 Romeo Alpha.
Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, Roger, and yeah, report 5 miles east.
5 miles east, 448 Romeo Alpha.
Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, just want to verify, are you solo or you have how many people on board?
One person on board.
One solo on board, and how many hours of fuel you have?
I got about 2 hours still.
2 hours of fuel with one solo on board, Roger. And Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, do you have the approximate location of where you're at, where the door came off?
Stand by, try to find the road.
Say again?
It came off somewhere over the road about 4,500 feet, so no telling.
Okay, but how far from the east of the field were you approximately when it happened?
Looks about 2 miles.
22 miles east approximately, and you were at what altitude?
4,500.
4,500, Roger. Just if anybody reports it, we want to at least know that that was the general area where you were at.
Understood.
And everything seems flyable and everything right now?
Yeah, we're still good.
Okay, Roger.
Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, 5 miles to the east.
Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, Roger, report entering left downwind for runway 1, actually, proceed to the left base 17.
Left base 17, Romeo Alpha.
Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, was it the door that was on your side or the passenger side?
Passenger side window.
Passenger side window, okay, Roger. Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, how far out on the left base now?
Showing 3.5 miles.
Okay, Roger, I got a couple that I'll have the parking car to you and they'll be making right close.
Roger, 8 Romeo Alpha.
Sector 1, if you could just remain clear of the safety area while we get this aircraft down. Remus 448 Romeo Alpha, that traffic's on the roll now. You're number 1 for the runway 17, clear to land.
Number 1 clear land, down 17, Romeo Alpha.
Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, Roger, the winds are 190 at 5. And everything still looks all right?
Yeah, we're still good.
Okay, Roger. Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, turn left on Echo and contact ground. Everything still look good? Remus 8 Romeo Alpha, Roger. When you get back over there and get things checked out, just let us know. Just give us a call. It's good.